Google launched Bard in March this year. Amazon launched the AI feature to aggregate product reviews, and ChatGPT swept the world. Now it's Microsoft's turn to enter the market with the best AI companion for you. Well, Copilot will be your new best friend. Are you wondering how? Well, let's dig deeper. Microsoft is entering a new era of AI, one that fundamentally changes the way we interact with and benefit from technology. With the convergence of conversational interfaces and large language models, you can now ask for what you want using natural language, and the technology is smart enough to respond, create, or act. Microsoft Copilot was announced earlier this year, along with claims that it would be the most powerful productivity tool on the planet. Contrary to some concerns, the goal is not to replace humans. Rather, it is intended to supplement their skills and eliminate the hardship of the job, hence the name Copilot. Microsoft sees this as a co-pilot to help them navigate every task. They're already integrating AI-powered copilots into the products we love and use most, making coding more efficient with GitHub, transforming workplace productivity with Microsoft 365, redefining search with Bing and Edge, and delivering contextual value that works across you and your apps, PC with Windows. Instead of existing as a separate platform like other AI products, Microsoft will integrate Copilot into PowerPoint, Excel, Word, Teams, and Outlook. Another notable difference between Copilot and AI platforms like ChatGPT is that your data is secured within your own tenant and will not be retrieved or used by the AI platform beyond that. So while you need to be careful with this type of information you put into GPT chat, and never include confidential company, customer, or employee data, all data that Copilot uses will be kept safe within your tenant. Currently, this tool is only available to a small number of organizations. Once fully launched, anyone using Microsoft 365 can access a fixed monthly subscription. As a result, more than 4 million businesses around the world use Microsoft 365. In Microsoft Word, Copilot will work like ChatGPT. Users enter prompts to create text, edit documents, rewrite sections, or set specific tones. However, the difference with ChatGPT is that it is fully integrated with Word. Users will not need to navigate between chat screen interfaces. Both the user and the AI can edit the output on the spot. The feature brings clear benefits to those who spend time writing content. For example, some lawyers spend up to 7 to 14 hours per week blogging. Reducing this number will increase the productivity of the entire company. Copilot can also embed data into text output, meaning anyone who spends time writing proposals and reports will benefit. You know that finance and accounting departments and companies have been using Excel since the 1980s to analyze numbers, present financial results, and create budgets, forecasts, and plans. Although Excel represents a vast improvement over the complex manual formulas of the pre-computer era, it still requires a great deal of skill and time investment. Copilot for Excel will allow users to quickly analyze large amounts of data. It will suggest formulas, reveal correlations, and create tables, models, and projections. It's not just finance and accounting that will benefit. Marketing, HR, and product management departments use Excel to spot trends, summarize costs, and plan future strategies. On average, office workers spend 38% of their time using Excel. The time-saving potential here is huge. Copilot for PowerPoint? Yeah. Presentations have many moving parts, such as slide content, graphic design, and presenter notes. Copilot allows users to create entire presentations from one brief presentation, condensing existing ones, and write notes and summaries for the presenter. One of Copilot's advantages over the other AI conversation models is how it integrates with Microsoft 365 as a whole. For example, Copilot can turn Word documents into PowerPoint presentations. In fact, you can use Copilot to analyze Excel data, then create a report based on the data in Word, and then create a presentation based on that report. If you're one of the 30 million people who use PowerPoint every day, you might find this useful. So what about email, right? The average person sends 40 emails per day. Professionals can spend more than 12 hours per week reading and writing emails. Copilot doesn't just write an email response. It summarizes complex email sequences, automatically sends invitations, and summarized missed emails in concise summaries. Likewise, it can write team meeting reports and perform specific post-event tasks, such as scheduling follow-up meetings. As you know, Outlook and Teams are the internal and external communication platforms for many of these hybrid work environments. And now, it will become easy. Copilot will work as an app or show itself when you need it with a right click. It will start rolling out in initial form as part of a free Windows 11 update, as well as for Bing, Edge, and Microsoft 365 Copilot this fall. With more than 150 new features, the upcoming Windows 11 update is one of the most ambitious yet, bringing the power of Copilot and new AI-driven experiences to apps like Paint, Photos, Clipchamp, and many more applications directly on your Windows PC. With Windows Copilot, you can open a chat window directly from your desktop and ask Copilot to help you perform certain tasks or get information, just like with Bing Chat. The difference here is that it is integrated directly into the operating system, so it has access to systems documents and controls, as well as the ability to open and control applications. Microsoft's demo shows Windows Copilot putting the system in dark mode, snapping windows into place, and summarizing a business plan document. It can even recommend music, open Spotify, and start playing. Microsoft 365 Copilot will be generally available to business customers with Microsoft 365 Chat, a new AI assistant that will completely change the way you work. Additionally, they introduce powerful new Surface devices that bring all these AI experiences to life, and pre-orders have already begun. From Bing or Edge, you can now find what you're looking for online faster. Yes, companion effect in Microsoft Shopping. When you request information about an item, Bing asks additional questions to learn more and then uses that information to provide more personalized recommendations. And you can be sure you're getting the best price. In fact, over the past 12 months, shoppers have saved more than $4 billion on Microsoft Edge. You'll also soon be able to use saved photos or images as a starting point for shopping. Copilot in Windows, in preview, lets you easily create faster, more comprehensive tasks and reduce cognitive load, simplifying once complex tasks. Microsoft has made accessing the power of Copilot seamless, as it's always available to you on the taskbar or with the Win+C keyboard shortcut, providing support for all your applications on any screen size. Pictures at work, at school, or home. To help you in your work, Microsoft is also introducing new features for Copilot in Outlook, Word, Excel, Loop, OneNote, and OneDrive. Bing Chat Enterprise, the entry point to general AI for many businesses, is getting some upgrades. And as part of our big Windows 11 update, Windows 365 Switch and Windows 365 Boot will be generally available, making it even easier to access your Windows Cloud PC. This will help employees get more done while also making IT deployment, management, and security easier. Visit the Microsoft 365 blog to learn more about how Microsoft 365 Bing Chat Enterprise and Windows are changing the way you work. As of now, Microsoft is gradually rolling out Copilot. Currently, only a few Fortune 500 companies have access. The company has not yet announced the selling price or official launch date. To prepare, think about the departments and individuals who need it most. One way to solve this problem is to determine who is already using AI. Finance, sales, human resources, marketing, and management will all benefit. Conversely, roles that primarily involve physical tasks or personal interactions may not need much AI assistance. You should prepare yourself and your team by staying up to date on any launch, feature, or pricing announcements from Microsoft in the coming months. Before rolling out Copilot on a large scale, test it on a smaller scale. Additionally, very few products are perfect upon release, helping Microsoft save time fixing bugs. Okay, before you finish, hear from Microsoft. Remember, AI is not here to replace you, but to help you. AI is not yet advanced enough to perform complex tasks and skill-based roles, especially in the financial or professional service sectors. These always require human judgment and direction. And yes, Copilot exploits this. It's designed to eliminate mundane tasks so professionals can spend more time on complex tasks. Looks good, right? Much of Microsoft's build presentation focused on plugins and how third-party developers can integrate with Windows Copilot. Therefore, we expect AI capabilities to expand as the platform evolves. Currently, Microsoft says there are 50 plugins and thousands more on the way. So, are you excited about the new Copilot update? Is it going to step up the entire Windows system? Share your views and predictions through comments. We're going to pin the best one. And don't forget to subscribe and like. Until next time, bye.